Welcome everyone to our Vizard deep dive session where we reveal how to get significantly more done with your long-form video content. Our main objective today is simple. We want you feeling completely confident that you can churn out short clips and manage a content calendar without the headache of manual editing. We are going to cover several powerful tips today that will actually save you hours of work every single week. If you are still spending 3 grueling hours editing a single episode, we really need to have a conversation about your workflow. The point of using Vizard is to cut that production time drastically so you can focus on making more great content, not wrestling with complex timelines. I am Alex from the Creator Success team, and joining me is Jules from our product team to walk you through these features. If you ping the chat while we are live, it might just be one of us answering your questions in real time. Alright Jules, let's jump straight into the editor and get started. Thanks Alex, and for everyone catching the replay who is brand new, I will run through the main tools. First up is Playback. You can hit play, listen, and skip forward or back in specific chunks. If you are trying to skim a very long interview, just crank that playback speed up to 1.5x or 2x to get through it much faster. It is a small thing, but it saves an incredible amount of time when you are reviewing your raw footage. Next is how the project shows the runtime of your file. When you import a raw recording, Vizard displays the total length of the file. As the AI trims the content and you export clips, you will see that total number shrink. This is super helpful if you are trying to hit a specific target episode length for your audience. One big difference with Vizard compared to old school editors is how it leans into automation without taking away your control. The core magic here is the auto-edit, which scans a long video to find the highest potential moments. It identifies emotional peaks, punchlines, and quotable statements, then turns them into ready-to-post short clips. You can always dive in and tweak things manually, like trimming a section or muting a cough, without any fear of mistakes. Nothing is permanently destructive here, because edits are non-destructive and there is always an undo button if you change your mind. Let us talk about the quick tools like the clip builder, which lets you select a snippet and preview how it will look as a short. Once you are happy, you can export that clip directly to your library. From the library, you can download, share, or add it straight to your posting queue. If you want to create a promo or a highlight reel to use across your socials, this is the fastest route available. We also have basic edit controls for things you want to fix manually, like quick cuts and muting. You can even use the bleep tool if a guest happens to drop an expletive that you would rather omit. We have also added a simple insert silence function in case a pause feels too abrupt or you just want to lengthen a beat. One super popular flow is running auto-edit, previewing the microclips and one-click exporting them to your library. From there, you can either schedule them in the content calendar or let auto-schedule queue them for you automatically. It is important to note the difference between the clip builder and the episode level editor. Clip builder is purpose-built for voiceover plus music promos and short repurposes. The episode editor is where you arrange segments and clean up the full file. Now let us cover the split tool, which is perfect for breaking a long recording into chunks that you can rearrange. Be careful though, because the split function is irreversible in the editor history. So name the resulting segments right away, like interview part A or hot takes. Then you can simply drag and drop those segments to reorder your episode. Next up are filters, where the AI helps with silence trimming and filler suppression. Silence trimming removes long pauses that make the conversation feel sluggish. Filler suppression finds those common ums and ahs and tones them down automatically. These are applied across a clip and marked so you can review each individual change. We give you a pencil icon to open any auto-edit and adjust it, like making a silence longer or restoring text. If the AI did something you don't like, just hit restore. If a filter is grayed out, it usually means the AI didn't detect anything that needed fixing. If it does flag things, think of it as a jump start, not the final say. We have found this saves creators minutes per episode while keeping the human in the loop. For background music, you can place a clip on the timeline, and Vizard will auto-duck it under the voice. It defaults to about 20% music volume under speech, which is perfect for clarity. Text editing is another huge time saver. Toggle transcript on and Vizard generates the text for you. You can expand the transcript to edit with words, like deleting a phrase or finding every use of a specific term. Important caveat, you can remove words via the transcript, but you can't type new words to synthesize audio. That said, the transcript and waveform are linked, so click any word and the playhead jumps to that spot. Transcription limits are included with every account, and you can add more if you need them. We also auto-detect major languages and support a bunch of them, though some are still in beta. Always listen through the full episode at least once before you publish. You don't want to discover a 3-minute music loop at the top of a published episode. If you are short on time, listen at 1.5x or 2x, but do make that final pass. Vizard sits in a sweet spot. It automates clip discovery and gives you a fast library for post-ready exports. Our auto-schedule and content calendar mean you can actually treat repurposing like a repeatable pipeline. If you are trying to scale from weekly long-form into daily shorts, Vizard is built exactly for that. Try uploading a long interview, hitting auto-edit, and letting auto-schedule drip your content across 2 weeks. You can also use the clip builder to create a branded teaser with a music bed and a title card. Finally, run the silence and filler filters, do a quick transcript pass, and save a clean master to your library. Alright, we will stop the demo there and open up for questions. If you have a specific workflow you are trying to solve, drop the details and we will walk through the fastest path. Thanks for hanging with us. Let's make your repurposing pipeline boringly efficient starting today.